My name is SoraiaZlatkovic, and today I'll be presenting my final project, which was on convolutional neural networks for fingerprint classification. The goal of this project was to see, given some fingerprint images, if I can classify them by gender, hand, and finger name. The data set that was used is the Sokoto Coventry fingerprint data set, and it's available on Kaggle. It includes 6,000 fingerprint images from 600 male and female subjects. Along with the original images, it also includes over 49,000 augmented images that can be used for training. The file names are named in such a way that information about the image, the labeling information, is part of the file name. And that includes ID, which identifies the subject, and gender, hand, finger, and augmentation if this is an augmented file. The CNN that I used for this project was an example from the Deep Learning with Python book by Francois Chalot in Chapter 5, the network we use to classify cats and dogs. And I have added onto it a dense layer with two outputs for gender and hand, and a different one for classifying finger name. And it includes dropout to help with overfitting. I decided to use subjects 1 to 200 for my testing and validation, and the remaining data I used for training. I reached a 73.8% accuracy for gender classification, 87.6% for hand classification, and 65.1% for finger classification. And you can see here I have some sample failures as part of my output here. Some of them aren't the best quality images, as you can see. And in conclusion, I think that the network was pretty accurate, given that it's a pretty simple network. We did have some issues with overfitting that I think can be adjusted by adding image augmentation rather than using the augmented images that are part of the data set. Thank you.